Beneath the streets of New York City, nearly 7,000 miles of water mains are working around the clock to bring clean water to millions of people. But just like the pipes in your home, sometimes they break. Water mains are especially vulnerable in the winter. 44% of all breaks happen between December and February. That's because the pipes are constantly under stress as the ground freezes overnight and warms up during the day. So when a water main break does happen, how does the city respond? First, crews from the city's Department of Environmental Protection spring into action. Their first job? Find the break. Using specialized equipment, workers listen beneath the streets, much like doctors using stethoscopes, to pinpoint the exact location of a leak. Once the break is found, crews consult maps and engineering plans to locate underground valves. Some pipes are so large, they need multiple valves shut off before repairs can begin, and that can take time. Then comes the heavy lifting. Jackhammers, backhoes, and excavators are used to dig down to the broken pipe. In areas like Manhattan, where gas, electric, and phone lines crisscross underground, workers may have to dig by hand to prevent damage to other utilities. Once the pipe is exposed, the crews determine what kind of break they're dealing with. A circular break, where the crack wraps around the pipe, a blow-up break, where the pressure forces open a hole, or a longitudinal break, where the pipe splits along its length. Each type of break requires a different repair. Sometimes a stainless steel clamp does the job, other times a full pipe replacement is necessary. After the repair is complete, crews backfill the hole, repave the street, and restore service as quickly as possible. Fixing broken water mains is a big job, but it's one the DEP takes seriously. It's all part of keeping the city running above and below ground, because we know how important water is to every New Yorker.